If you're planning to import a car into the Caribbean, you've probably heard about Trump's new tariffs. But what does that really mean for you? Are prices about to explode, or could this be the smartest time to buy if you know how to move? Let's break it down. Trump's new tariffs place heavy taxes, about 25%, on vehicles and auto parts coming into the US, while the tariff doesn't tax cars leaving the US to the Caribbean. It still causes a problem. One, new car production costs are rising. Two, that's pushing more Americans into the used car market. Three, used car prices are already starting to climb and supply is tightening, meaning if you're sourcing from US auctions or dealers, you'll start to feel the squeeze. Here's why it's happening. One, when new cars get more expensive, people hold on their vehicles longer. Two, less inventory enters the used car market. Three, dealers know this and raise prices because there's more demand than supply. Four, auctions get more competitive and the trickle effect hits Caribbean buyers because we rely heavily on the US market for clean, affordable vehicles. So even though there's no export tax, the overall market dynamics are shifting against you. Now, here's the flip side. Whenever a market tightens, new windows open if you know where to look. One, direct Japanese imports. Although this is not an option for everyone, Japanese vehicles shipped directly to the Bahamas skip US pricing pressures and tariffs. This can create new deals and slightly shift demand away from the US, putting pressure on US sellers to negotiate more. Two, dealers and auctions still need to move inventory. If you know how to negotiate smartly, especially targeting slower moving inventory, minor damage units, or overlooked lots, you can still win big. Three, auction strategy. Understanding the difference between pure sale auctions versus minimum bid auctions is critical. At pure sales, sellers must take the highest bid. That's where negotiators thrive, even in a tightened market. John Doe, a client of ours, played it right. Instead of rushing into an expensive retail buy, he strategically bid at auction, grabbed a 2022 Honda Accord, and saved $4,500 below dealer list price. Even though competition is up, smart moves still pay big. So, what's the game plan? Step one, broaden your options. Look at both US and Japan sources, but don't abandon US buys. Just get sharper. Step two, partner with a broker or expert like us who knows how to spot hidden value and negotiate under tighter market conditions. Three, move fast and decisive. Good vehicles won't sit long anymore. If you see a deal, you need to act. Step four, budget a little higher if possible to stay competitive, but not without understanding true market value. This isn't a time to panic, it's a time to be smarter. If you want someone to help you navigate the shift and still land a great deal and found value in what was shared, subscribe, hit the link below, like or comment import, and let us move you ahead of the pack.